Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. So if your Messenger video calls aren't working on your Android device, this quick guide will walk you through the most common fixes to get you back up and running. So now without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So the two big reasons for call failures are permissions and your internet connection. So let's check these first. First, check your internet connection and make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. So just simply go to your settings and then go to your Wi-Fi settings and see if it's connected and if internet is available or not. Do the same for mobile data as well if you're using it. And then to verify, just simply try loading any type of website on your browser. Then next is to check your app's permissions. So what you do is, again, go back to your settings and search for apps, and then just simply click on Apps. Then look for a section where you will find Manage Apps, where multiple apps are listed. In short, all the apps installed on your phone should be mentioned right over there.
Now in that list, just simply search for Messenger and then open Messenger. Now over here, just simply look for app permissions. And then inside the permissions, just look for microphone and camera and see if they're allowed or not. And as you can see, they're currently blocked. So click on camera, allow the camera, then do the same for microphone as well. Now quickly restart your application and see if the issue is fixed or not. Now if that doesn't work, the next best step is to make sure your app is up to date and restart your phone. So first, open the Google Play Store and search for Messenger, and then tap on the Update button if available. Because an outdated app is a common source of bugs, so simply update to the latest version. Now after updating, restart your phone completely for a quick fresh restart, because a quick fresh restart can clear up many hidden software glitches as well. That's it. Between checking your permissions, updating your app, and restarting your phone, the issue should most likely be solved for your Messenger's video calls. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.